Just showing progress on the metal building build out. So far, insulation, rigid panel board. Electrical is done. Got some foam up there. Anywhere there's a gap, foam, caulking. Roof will be the last thing that I do. And what all walls will eventually look like. Got some corrugated metal on the bottom and some fence board for the paneling. Comes out at $2 a board. This was by far the cheapest route to go, and I think it looks the best. Kind of looks like barnwood. A little bit green because it's treated, but can't hurt. It's pretty light, but it's gonna all look good in the long run. This whole area back here is all gonna be an enclosed office at some point, so I will throw in some updates here and there. This isn't a channel for home improvement or anything like that, but why not? Hope you guys like it.